Hi everyone. Let's discuss Buddha quotes on inner peace and mindfulness. True peace is found within yourself, not in the outside world. This quote teaches us that inner peace doesn't depend on external factors like positions or people. It is something we cultivate within ourselves by understanding our emotions and staying calm even when life feels chaotic. Suppose you are stuck in traffic and getting frustrated because you are late. Instead of letting the situations ruin your mood, remind yourself that you can't control the traffic, but you can control your response. Listen to calming music or take deep breaths to stay peaceful. So, inner peace is a choice we make. When we stop looking for it in the outside world and turn inward, we can remain calm no matter what happens around us. Leave behind the past and set aside the future. Immerse yourself fully in the present. This quote encourages us to let go of what's already happened and not to worry about what's yet to come. Focusing on the present moment allows us to fully experience life as it happens, which brings more joy and clarity to our day to day activities. For example, imagine you are at dinner with your family, but you are thinking about tomorrow's work deadlines. Instead of being distracted, put your phone away, engage in conversations, and enjoy the meal. This will strengthen your bonds and make the moment special. So, the present moment is where life happens. By focusing on it, you can reduce stress and make the most of every experience. Your thoughts shape your reality, so think wisely. This quote reminds us of the power of positive thinking. The way we think about ourselves and the world influences our actions and ultimately determines our outcomes. A positive mindset opens doors to growth and success. For example, if you believe that learning a new language is too difficult, you might never start. But if you shift your mindset to, I can improve step by step, you will find the motivation to practice, and over time, you will make significant progress. So, your thoughts directly influence your actions and outcomes. By focusing on positive, empowering thoughts, you can create the life you want. Your mindset truly shapes who you become. Thank you.